Hello users. In this video, I will teach you how you can add someone to your inner or outer circle on Shabd. To begin with, first of all, log into your account and go to the search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, you have to search for an exact username. If you don't know the exact username, then the person will not appear in your search list. So let's say I want to add someone whose username is Sonali. So there we go. Click on the username, and at the bottom of the cover page, cover profile, you will see add to circle button. Now click on this button, and there are two options if you want to add them to your inner or outer circle. If you add them to your outer circle, they can see only a limited number of stories that are posted on your profile. But if you add to your inner circle, they can view all of your stories. So let's say we want to add this user to the inner circle. Click on that, and let's go to the another user profile. Now this user has received a request, as you can notice from this red dot. Now click on this icon, and you can see that this person has sent a request to this user. And which circle the user is requesting to be added? It's inner. And you can see this user has a total number of 4 stories, and stories could be these stories could be pending, accepted, or posted. This user also have a greeting audio message which you can hear by clicking here.
Thanks for visiting my 2 Shabd profile.
Okay, then you can see the username of this particular person. You have two options. You can either accept the request or you can reject it. Let's accept the request, and it is showing accepted. Now let's go back to the profile page, and you can notice the user has been added to your circle. Now let's go back to the main user, refresh the page, and you can notice this circle with a minus sign. This means that this user has been added to your circle, and this option means that you can remove this user from your circle if you want to. Now let's go back to this user's profile. Click on the circle button, and you can see that this user has been added to your circle. Thank you.